Alright, so welcome to web episode. This is a continuation of my blogging masterclass. We earlier on looked at how to, create a blog with a Blogger platform. We also looked at how to change the themes. Today we are going to take it a step further to look at how to, edit the layout to match the kind of content you want to create and how you want your design and layout to be like, and also to be able to edit some of the default information that comes with the themes that we install from other websites that we download them from. So if you've not watched my previous videos on how to change themes and how to create a blog with a Blogger platform, you can just go through my channel and watch those videos before you come and continue this one. Alright, so if you are wondering how to change the layout of your newly installed Blogger theme, this is where you're going to learn out. We are going to go through all the steps on how to do exactly that. So if you are new watching this video right now, all you have to do is get a Gmail account, and then you can have a Blogger platform created, or Blogger account created for you. Blogger, it's one of it's Google's content management system that helps people who are in the blogging niches to be able to write blogs with ease. So I already have an account with this. I just click on sign in and then wait for my ISP to redirect me to choose which email I want to sign in to the Blogger account with. Unfortunately, I'm kind of having slow internet here, and so bear with me when. Alright, so I'm choosing my account here. This is the account I want to use. Alright, so finally we have our website open. So we're going to, I have one post here as an example of a post I was trying to create for my blogging masterclass, and currently the post has no view as it hasn't been worked on properly for search engine optimization. But this is what we're going to talk about today. Layout. Yes, the layout is simply how the theme has been made. If it has sidebars, if it has headers, if it has footers, and all. So we're just going to click on layout, wait for it to load the content, and then you'll be able to see how to do exactly just that. Because I have some slow internet connection today, I will be taking much time to see all these things load up. But okay, finally we have it loaded here. So we start with this favicon. The favicon is what we see here when we visit our website. That small button that comes on the new tab option. More or less like a logo for the title. So once you have a logo that you want to use for your favicon, just click on edit and wait for it. Then you choose a file. So if you have any of your favicons, you just select any of them, and then you can change. I'll just select this and save. It should change my website to have this image that we see here. For the purposes of this training, I'm just using any image for now, but favicon sizes are made in a specific size, 16 by 16 pixels, and they are very, very small. So you will need to resize your images or your logos if you have some to fit that specific requirements for search engine purposes. This is also the logo and the title. So if you have a website and you have your logo, you can do the editing by just clicking on edit here, same as first, and you can change your website title, and you can choose your logo here, and you can choose a placement option. Do you want it to be behind the title and description, or you want it to be a logo instead of title and description, or have description placed after the image, or shrink to fit? Whichever options that you want, you'll be able to get it. And they also giving you a hint here. Image will be shrunk to 791 pixels wide, so it gives you an idea of what size of logo to build if you've not built one. It means you can have a logo of 791 pixels wide. I will also advise that when you are making it that wide, make the height exactly the same, so that once you do all these changes, you can also put your blog description here, to tell search engines what your blog is about, and then you click save. You could also have a logo form, a particular link. Just click it here, click on this, paste the link here, and you are good to go. Don't forget to hit save when you are done with all these changes. Now the top social. Let me quickly go to my blog in a new tab and then show you exactly what I'm talking about here. Okay, so a top social widget edit. You just click on same. So the title is social media icons, and the number of items shown in the list, you can leave it as blank, or you can put 1, 2, 3, and these are the social images that comes with the theme I installed. So you can just edit to put in your details of your social media account, so LinkedIn and your LinkedIn URL. Then once you are done with all these edits, you hit save. If you also don't want any of these ones, you can just click on delete to delete any of them. I wouldn't want to mess up with this theme, so I'll just leave it as it is. So once you are done, you hit save too. Please don't forget to hit save, because once you don't hit save, all your savings, your settings have not been changed, and you'll be left with the default settings that came with the theme. Alright, so we now head over to the banner, and with the banner you can add new gadgets. That's where you want to add some new options to it. So you can add either AdSense, featured post, blog search, JavaScript. The list goes on and on and on. Link list, text, popular post, blog followed, feed, logo. The list are just here for you to select from them. I don't want to add anything for now, and you could also hit to edit the HTML or JavaScript, but if you don't have any idea about that, then please don't mess around with this. This is the main area. You can add new options like this. You could also, this is a sidebar, this is the side of the website, and you could see more options there, like the popular post, label, cloud, formula, AdSense, attribution, and report abuse, and so on and so forth. So let's click on one of these to edit it. You could also reorder how you want this to be. So I could remove this from there, and also after everything, I can just hit save, and I can cancel to go back. Alright, so let me just cancel this, and let me show you quickly how you can reorder these options. Yeah, so basically for this theme, this is how it is. This is the main, and I can add to populate how I want my main area to look like. Currently it only shows my blog post, and I can change the settings to fit how it looks like. Alright, so this all with the layout for this particular blogger platform. I think the next thing we're going to be looking at is how to set up a third-party domain name to point to your blogger website. As you can see, when we hit view, you see it takes it to this as webepisode.tk. This is a domain name that I purchased, and I've connected it to this blogger platform. So stay tuned, subscribe, comment, like, share, and leave a comment. I'll respond to it as soon as possible if you don't understand anything from the video. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.